Hey everyone, this is Chandraj again. First of all, a very apologies for my unsincerity. Like, actually, what's happening? Ki my vacations are going to over, and I have to do a lot of things. Because of that, I'm just overusing my body, and eventually, I've just fallen sick. You can see a lot of oil in my hair. That's what our mother do when we fall ill. So yeah, okay, so starting our topic on tourist places of Gaya. So the very first thing that I'll just start myself that you should know the geographic location of Gaya. Like Gaya is surrounded by I think 3 to 4 hills: Ramsila, Brahmyoni, Mangalagori, and there is one more Brahmyoni, Ramsila, Mangalagori. Okay, so I'm just forgetting one or two more. I think one more. So you can just Google it down. So okay, so starting. So Gaya. The importance of Gaya is so much that even Lord Ram has come here to do the pindan for their ancestors, and from there the tradition of Pitripaksh Mela started. So starting from this only, that I think you all know the importance of Pitripaksh Mela because people from all over the world, not only from India but all over the world, just come here to give a tribute to their ancestors. So moving to the next, I'm just going a little bit fast because there are a lot of tourist places in Gaya. So the second one is Vishnupat Mandir. I think that I have told you the story, but let me repeat it. The how actually Gaya is named. So there was a devil called Gayasur, and he was very violent and doing insane things. So Lord Vishnu from his Vaikunthlok came and put his feet on the chest of Gayasur to calm him down. And from there, the Vishnupa temple arose. So Vishnupa temple is a very famous temple. Like I think that when last time when I was just going there, I met a, whether it was French or Croatia. I'm no, no, no. Okay, okay. Croatia. So there was a lady from Croatia who was there, and I asked her that how you got to know about this temple. Then she said, "Ki like her father, grandfather, everyone come at least once in their life here and visit all over the India, and Vishnupur temple is one of in their list." So I was very happy that okay, so this temple is this much famous, like people from all over the world is just coming here. So moving to the next Mangalagori temple, we all know its importance. Like यहाँ बहुत सारी मन्नतें मांगी जाती है, and the aura of temple is divine. Like no matter how much you are having your headache, whether you are ill or something, but those stringing sound of a bell will definitely heal you. Like today I was also I went to Manpur, and there is a Thakur Bari where the small children, like Thakur Bari is a place where small children are taught about how to do puja, and so the small children were chanting mantras. And actually from morning I was having like a very throbbing headache here, but when I just went there and just heard the chanting of those mantras, I felt a little bit more comfortable there. So okay, now moving to the next one. So there are a lot more hills. I'll just name it down and I'll just recommend you to visit. Okay, so Dungeshwari, Ramshila, Pretshila. Um, Actually, I'm just forgetting about one more hill. Um, okay, leave it. When I'll just got it, I'll just post it down. Okay. So okay, Bodh Gaya is one of the prime like tourist places of Gaya. So like Bodh Gaya is not only about Mahabodhi temple, but there are a lot more temples in Bodh Gaya where you can visit, and like it is the beauty of every religion that even in Bodh Gaya you will find a different energy of peace. Like whenever I just went to Mahabodhi temple, those scented fluorescence in the air, and they also have a bell, like they are just shaking, so that sound also heals. I think this is why tourism is very important, because you like learn about different culture, tradition, and from there you start to respect every tradition and culture. Okay, now moving to uh, okay, so we were into the place of Gaya. So Belaganj, Belaganj, there are two places to visit: Kali Mandir and one hour else. There is one more um, place which is very famous in India, that is Koteswar Dham in Maine. Like in Savan, it is like just throbbed by the mob. You cannot move freely. You just stand there and people will just push you and you'll keep on moving. So these were the tourist places of Gaya. Explore Gaya as much you can. So this was the message, and thank you. Have a nice day to you all.